to make shaved ice dessert at home. Shaved ice dessert is an ice-based dessert made of fine shavings of ice or finely crushed ice and sweet condiments or syrup. But before we begin this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Please help me get my first 100 subscribers. Alright, so let's begin with the ingredients. Okay guys, so I have different toppings here. I have some gummy bears, wafer sticks, cherries, sprinkles, canned fruit, and I also have some different sauces like caramel sauce, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and of course some flavored syrup. Now these are optional. You could put whatever you want and whatever you like. And of course we have the secret ingredient recipe, which is simply love. And also you will need a ice machine and some ice cubes. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, first we're gonna shave some ice. Now with this machine, it's really very easy and simple to operate. All you have to do is plug in the cord and simply push down. But the only problem with this type of machine is that it shakes a lot. So while I'm pushing down on the lid, I have to hold it with both hands to kind of like prevent it from overly shaking. And once I'm done, there's a container at the bottom of the machine that collects the shaved ice. And there you go, it's very simple. So in a bowl, I added the shaved ice, and these are also canned fruits that I added in here. You could use fresh fruits, whatever fruits you want to use, mangoes, pineapples, it's all up to you. Then added some evaporated milk, more shaved ice, guys, this is a very refreshing and fun treat to make, especially if you're in an area where the weather is always or is extremely hot. This is a very refreshing treat. Okay, so I'm gonna add more fruit on the top, and I'm just gonna add a drizzle of some condensed milk, and there you go guys. Now if you guys are feeling a little bit adventurous, this dessert is perfect for you guys. Okay, so in a bowl I added some fruity flavored cereal, topped it with more shaved ice, oh, and by the way, this is also a great sensory activities for younger children. Some evaporated milk. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. Some flavored syrup. Ooh, this is gonna be really sweet. Now you guys could use any flavor syrup you guys want. There you go, load it up. Here are some gummy bears. We got all kind of textures going on. We have something soft, crunchy, chewy, you name it. Okay, I was having some trouble trying to insert these wafer sticks, but I figured it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some wafer sticks, and I drizzled some caramel sauce on the wafer sticks. Now I'm gonna add some home-baked brownies, sweetness overload, and some colorful sprinkles. Drizzle all that sprinkle. There you go. More milk. It's the evaporated milk. Guys, can you guys tell that I'm having fun making this dessert? Oh my gosh, it is so sweet. There you go. But it looks good, right? It looks really colorful. And last but not least, a cherry on the top, guys. Alright, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!